Perfect for those nights when you really don't want to cook or you push for time, this Chilli Tahini noodle recipe is our take on an internet favourite. Rather than peanut butter, tahini gives the dish a more savoury flavour and adds a beautiful sesame aroma. It's also a great way to use that jar of tahini sitting in the back of your pantry when you don't feel like making hummus. From pot to pan in 10 minutes, including the time it takes to boil the water. Perfect for a quick midweek meal or a late night snack. We use knife-cut noodles for this recipe, which cooks in 6 minutes. You'll find a link in the description. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you that good food doesn't need to be difficult, expensive, or need tons of space. Okay, let's get started. First, heat up a pot of water. Then cut some spring onions. The white parts we'll add to the sauce, the green parts we'll save to garnish later. Add your sauce base to each serve. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons tahini, one teaspoon of gochujang or Korean fermented chili paste, 1 teaspoon of light soy. Once the water starts to boil, add your noodle cakes. We recommend 2 pieces per serve. Check that your noodles are cooked through. We'll call our resident noodle expert, Henry. When the noodles are cooked, add the white parts of the green onion to your bowl. Transfer the noodles to your bowl. The water from the noodles will help create the sauce. Mix until everything is combined. Plate up and enjoy. We added our crispy chili oil to this recipe. If you're interested, let us know and we'll do that in a future recipe. Well, thanks for joining us, and remember, you're welcome in our kitchen anytime.